Hey guys, what is the area of this blue region? All we know is we have a square right here that has an area of 4 meters squared, and the corners of the square hit the center and the circumference of the circle. Let's copy the square down here. If it's a perfect square, each side needs to have a length of 2 meters. If we look at the diagonal of this square, to find the length of it, we can copy down this triangle, and all 45, 45, 90 triangles, the hypotenuse is exactly root 2 times the side length. And if you don't have that memorized, you can also do Pythagorean theorem. It looks like this right here. So now we know the diagonal length of this red square. Let's get rid of this label up here, draw on the diagonal, and we know that that is equal to 2 root 2. This is the radius of the circle. So we can write that down. The radius is equal to r, which is equal to 2 root 2. Now let's find the area of the circle. Well, the area of a circle is pi r squared. So let's plug in 2 root 2 meters for r. So to simplify this, 2 squared is 4, and root 2 squared is 2. So we can multiply that 4 times that 2 to give us 8, and this changes into 8 pi meters squared. The 8 came from here, the pi came from here, and the meters squared came from here. Then to find the blue area, we're going to take the circle and subtract square. The area of the circle we already said was 8 pi, and the square was given to us as 4. And then we can put a label on it, and then we have the answer to the question. The blue area is equal to 8 pi minus 4 meters squared. How exciting.